Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a OnePlus Nord 5 and let me share with you how to activate automatic system updates on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find About Device. Then let's scroll down and find Version and keep tapping on the version number until you'll see the information that you're in the developer mode. Then let's go back to the general list of the settings and tap on System and Update. Then let's tap on Developer Options, and here all we have to do is to scroll down just a little bit to find the option Automatic System Updates. And if you've got it turned off, simply tap on the switcher, and from now on your device is allowed to apply the updates whenever it will be restarted, and of course whenever the update is available. You can turn this option off just by tapping on the switcher again. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.